Our aorta has 3 layers. The inner layer where the blood flows has a lining that's called the endothelium that senses the blood flow. And when it senses the blood flow, it releases 2 signals. These 2 signals are, one is nitric oxide. It releases the middle layer. The other one is a peptide called endothelin 1. Endothelin 1 restricts the inner layer. Now, with those 2 inner layers are connected to our central nervous system, so our brain is actually working. Should I tighten? Should I loosen? Now, we have aortic dissections. That's going to be a little different. Some of it is saying, our brain is saying, should I tighten? Should I loosen it? There's a little confusion going on in there. Now, I have this comparison to my eye. I have this binocular rivalry going on. I have a little vision just out of my left eye, but it's just enough where it messes my brain up, where I have 20/20 vision out of this side. So if I'm seeing 20/20, I just move my eye a little bit. It's all fuzzy. So my brain gets confused it can't make a 3D vision. So my brain gets confused. That's what I'm saying. I'm predicting that is going on with those autonomic nervous cells that are saying to our inner lining, constrict, relax, constrict, relax. But I get a break. I put an eye patch on, or I wear it during the day. And that brings out, I can see color so much better, but I don't get headaches. I don't get a dizzy feeling. But when we have an aortic dissection, after we've had an aortic dissection, our brain going off 24 hours a day. Should I tighten? Should I loosen? Should I try to help control blood flow? I don't know what our brain is trying to think. It's just confused. That's a guess why we might be getting a lot of fatigue, need to lay down. Our brain is constantly. That's why we need to get a lot of rest and relax, because our brain is constantly thinking of things we can't control anymore. That's why we also have to take blood pressure medicine, because those signals are going off, not knowing what to do. And that's why blood pressure medicine helps keep us under control, and that our lower blood pressure will help start to heal our bodies. Promise you, in 13 years, I promise you, parts will start to heal and you will start to get control of your life again. But you have to put our change on something else. You're not just worrying about your aortic dissection. What can I do? What can I do? All these focuses on your aortic dissection. Put your focus on something else, like taking walks in nature. Walk the dog. You want to do this in a present moment way. You don't want to let your mind float. Take a walk, sit out in the backyard and just watch the birds and the animals. I'm feeding all the animals in my backyard, so I have a lot of fun there. But I take my mind off what is going on in my brain that I can't even control. And then what is going on in my mind that I can control, and worrying about what's going to happen next. Am I going to make it through the night? And those are actual things I worry about. But if I put my focus on something else, what you put your attention on grows stronger in your life. What you take your attention away from will wither away. Thank you.